So this is dictation for Wednesday, September the 9th, week 9. So make sure you have the word dictation, and the date is the 9th, number 9/9/2020. So what are we looking for? Capital letters, full stops, one finger space between each word, and your best writing. Okay, watch your G's, watch your H's and your Y's. Okay. Monkeys like to eat bananas. Monkeys like to eat bananas. 5 words. Monkeys is the first word. Monkeys. Like to eat. Give you a little heads up. The word like does not have a C in it. That becomes lick. So the word like does not have a C in it. Monkeys like to eat bananas. And the second sentence is 10 is an even number. 10 is an even number. Another 5 words. So write the first 3 words. 10 is an. Even number. So let's revise again. Monkeys like to eat bananas. Second sentence, 10 is an even number. Now this is the third picture I've had up today. I'm trying to give you some clues as to see if you know where I am. Maybe your mums and dads know. But that is the third clue, that picture. It's a very famous scene from a very famous picture a long time ago.